How to help a child with an eating disorder like overeating? I think that this when the child gets an urge to eat something, you have to constantly be by her side and talk to her like different things that she likes, like some excite her with some book or a movie that you will watch together or have been watching together, and talk to her about something exciting that you do together, or do something, talk to her. And this urge is just she wants to fulfill herself with something, and this something is food. This is not hunger. So yeah, this is how you replace one desire with another desire, and this is just the desire.